friends, my name is Sika and today we are going to make some pumpkins. So let's begin. So we would need one pencil, glue and scissors, one piece of green paper and one smaller piece of brown paper, and we would need one big piece of orange paper. So let's begin. First we're going to cut strips. So we're going to fold it first. Now we are going to cut it. So we would need 4 strips. Now we are going to fold the strips. Now we're going to redo it. Now you're going to glue these parts. Now we are going to make it on the upper part. Now we're going to put the pumpkin aside and make its leaf. Now we're going to make the stand. Our pumpkin is ready now. For watching, see you in the next video. Bye friends.